She's being loaded up, man. Got to take her home. We'll park and put another one in it. Another V8 flathead.
You have any idea what happened?
We're here.
Nashville.
Nashville? We're loaded up. Got the trailer loaded. We actually took off yesterday morning and left Muskogee, my place, and we made it to Nashville yesterday. We are staying in this hotel with this big giant rock wall behind me. It's crazy looking. We're fixing to take off for Knoxville and see if we can catch up with the Barrelero brothers and eat lunch with them today and check out their shop. We've never been there. And then we're going to head on over to Old North State Invitational. I guess the guys are getting together tonight, so we're going to unload the cars when we get there and go cruising. Hurley 50 on Instagram has been gracious enough to allow us to park our trailer there at his place for the weekend, so we really appreciate that. So that's going to help us a ton, because trying to get this thing maneuvered around is like, man, it's like pulling a trailer house. Anyway, we loaded up. The guys are looking for their junk right now and getting situated in the truck. That's my buddy Old School Rick. You guys know Mike back there. I'm Chaddilac. We're heading Alright guys, we just got to Matt Hurley's place in North Carolina. He's going to let us park our trailer back behind his house in his little field area. And we just got unloaded, and it's pitch black out here. Killer place. Check out his cars.
Working on, yeah, they did some stuff in the rear end, bearing stuff, and then when I had it, I couldn't grease the front end, so the spindles were on the wrong side.
Yeah.
So just little stuff like that.
Yeah.
The car only had 800 miles on it when I bought it, so it
Really?
wasn't really. I think that was just a show and stuff. So it wasn't tested. I like to get it and go. So.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Oh, it is. But, yeah. 31. It's got 3100.
Okay, guys, we lost a little audio here with our video, but I'm just going to let you know what I'm saying. Mike's 8-Ball Deluxe has a rod knocking now, and it started smoking a little bit, so we pulled over. We were about 15 minutes from our destination, and we can't go any further. We're not going to leave him there, and we're not going to try to ruin the motor. So we're waiting on a tow truck now, and we all kind of decided. Mike didn't want to quit. He wants to try to find another 8BA, so we're going to put a post out on social media and see what we can find. We've got to get to the car show tomorrow morning.
Yeah, look at this motor.
Check it out.
I think that'll work. That'll work for me.
Nice little 8BA.
Yeah. That'll get me.
How did we find this? We had a guy contact
Tyler.
me?
Tyler contacted you.
Yeah.
And then got us in touch with Tim.
Thanks, Tim.
Oh, well.
And he got a flathead for us.
Yeah, and it looks good and it feels good and everything. I think that'll work pretty good.
Oh, I know it'll run. It's got a real small shot of Jack Daniels right in
Shot glass.
That might be Old Smoky.
Okay. I should have watched myself.
I'll tell you what, when we clean that bowl out, you can try it. Yeah, and just let us
Make
know
sure you
how
get
that
that
works
on
out.
video too.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see how that works out. for you.
We'll do that.
Yeah, that'll work. So, $1,000 on that one, you said?
Yeah.
And 2 on that one? That'll work for me. That good?
That's good.
There you go.
Awesome, man.
Awesome, man.
I appreciate that. I'm glad. And that motor we were just humming along down, whatever highway that Fort. Yeah.
What was it?
Y'all going north?
421.
Yeah, we were headed to Wilkesboro.
Wilkesboro.
Yeah.
Y'all going to the Speedway? Okay, y'all going to the Moonshine Festival thing?
That's, I think, was one of the stops
Yeah.
they were going to do.
We were.
Yeah.
We were. Didn't
Got
make
about
You can
15
still
miles
make it.
from there.
It's this weekend, isn't it?
Yeah.
it. But we're having the car show
Yeah,
this
the car show's
tomorrow.
Okay. Where's it at?
In Winston-Salem.
Okay.
Yeah. Old North State Invitational.
Downtown, yeah.
Okay. Most of the time, everybody goes to the one in July
Yeah.
in downtown, the Heavy Rebel
Oh,
Yeah.
show. Yeah, that's a
that's
good
cool.
one. That's a real good one.
There's the motor.
That's it. Okay, now we got to get it from
That
there
ain't
to
no
there.
problem. I gotta try it.
Okay.
With a bucket, that thing.
Awesome.
Cool.
Additional $50. I'm just joking.
Whose side are you on?
Yeah, Rick. Get in the truck, Rick.
I liked him.
Well, I like you
Rick might have to walk back to that.
They ribbed me off.
All
too. We're
right.
gonna have to teach you when the deals are going. Just
Yeah.
zip it up,
You
man.
notice that's why Dad's not out here.
He'd have been like, "Yeah, let him have it for 500."
Yeah. Dad didn't stay in the house.
Just as bad.
He be giving stuff away.
Oh,
That's
that's
hilarious.
funny, man.
Get him out here. Right?
We
wanna
need to
talk to him.
talk.
Well, cool.
All right, let's get her loaded up.
We got a lot of work to do,
Let
man.
me get the
That's
tractor
the
key.
Car-
Old North State Trash, boy.
Yeah, car show starts at 10 a.m.
Yeah, we're gonna be there.
Pull right there.
Yeah, 8-Ball Deluxe gonna be
Girly
rolling
drink is
blue
this?
motor.
All right, guys, we're back at Matt Hurley's place. We got the motors in the back of the truck,
Where'd that flat blade screwdriver go?
right out there on the ground, I think. We got the 2 motors here. Cherry picker. This is Matt's place. We already got the tub setting up. We got guys on it already, man. They're working. Guys, we appreciate this a ton. This is gonna be so rad. So we're gonna keep going and get these motors out of here and back in. Woo, excuse me.
I think that's beyond the rack.
Oh, yeah.
Back just a little bit more.
It's all coming together. Here's the motor we picked up. So that's the one we're going to pull the intake off, leave the water pumps, pull the exhaust manifold. We're going to swap in his existing clutch and pressure plate here, and then we'll put his 2 carbs and intake on there, and we'll leave these heads on here. We're just going to use this as a long block and put it right there in the tub. So the pulley off, water pumps are bolted down, intake fix come off. Jason's working on that. They got the motor out over here.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
hang on to it.
Motor's out, intake's off.
Come on, buy it.
What time is it, guys?
Oh, yeah.
A little after 10.
We've been working on it for an hour. 1 hour.
You got it.
Here, that's it.
There you go.
Everybody's on.
Yeah, everybody's got
Everybody's on break right now. We're waiting on a funnel.
Waiting on a funnel.
So
Oh,
it's coming together. Here he is. They're all loose, Jason.
All right. Did you already pop that intake on?
No.
might have a smaller one if you need it.
Well, I thought I had a smaller one too.
We were gonna let you do it so that
We'll
if
see
you
here.
tore up
This one
the
might just kind of roll in there.
intake gasket.
You do need it smaller? We might
You
have
want-
If you've got a little one, a small one over there.
How clean's it look, Mike?
Not good at all.
Oh,
No.
you can vacuum this up?
No, just
But so
there's
that-
some loose chunky
Oh,
stuff
yeah,
in
loose.
there.
You look over. Yeah, that's.
Yeah, it doesn't.
No, I know we're not that far. That I
What
know.
are you talking about? Because I'd love to see how you do
I know
that.
better than that.
Big
Well,
paintbrush.
if you could, I'd love to see
Clean the top of that off.
that. Would be beautiful.
Hey, don't worry about it. It'll run. That sucker will run like that.
It's a flathead. They all run.
Yeah. Or they did.
All right, we got the suction.
Yeah, I like how you grab the dry crispy.
Oh yeah, that'll crunch up.
Oh.
Here you go.
Just hold her to the wood till it all blows out.
Yes. We got the motor ready.
You have another one, Matt?
Fixing to go back in here. Fixing to stab her in.
I feel like a
We're gonna keep going. What time is it, Rick? Don't know.
No.
softer.
10:54.
10:54.
So we've
We're
been
almost
doing good, man.
2 hours in.
Yeah.
And we're fixing to stab that sucker
Not
right
4
back in there.
morning.
Yeah, it's not.
Not
It's
4 in the
not.
morning, no.
Feels like it, but it
It's gonna be a heck
ain't.
of a day, right?
Oh, left, what do you mean?
No, I was just right there.
Oh, you just won't hold her.
Well, these, it in the front.
The ones up on the cow are the exhaust, the ones in the cup are the intake.
12:06. He's not happy. He's not happy. He's definitely happy. We about got her in there. It's looking pretty good. What?
T minus 40 minutes probably to.
40? Oh no, we're
No,
fixing to start
35?
that bad boy. Yeah.
You get this one ball.
Yeah, we're not putting the radiator on it.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna get the.
Kid's got to pull it again.
Yeah. Yeah, radiator's already pulled.
Okay.
Yeah,
makes
we're
sense, right?
we're almost good to go.
Team one's 5-10 minutes, all right?
Yeah, there you go.
My name is Matt Hurley.
This is Matt Hurley. Actually, this is Matt Hurley. All right, we're about ready to start the sucker up, man.
We'll get some fluid going through the veins. All right, keys right. Here we go.
Uh-oh. Yep, let's go.
Yeah, no kidding. Okay, hold up.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
Here we go. What? Turn it over.
Again. Good.
Watch your hand.
Something hit me.
Yeah, watch your feet.
Okay, we got one right here. Lifter ain't hitting yet. Not opening up. Stuck. Yeah, we just got one, so we can put him back in and start it and see if she'll just start.
Yeah,
Because she's stuck is what it
Anyway, it
is.
warms up at night.
It might lose
Yeah.
that, get that
Loosen up.
oil.
Yeah, I just put it on that mark right there.
Yeah, I'm looking for it. Where'd it go? There she is.
Don't go too far. Yeah, right there, right there.
Loosen it up.
Yeah, I did.
furthest one's gotta go on the furthest one. Oh, you got them.
They're marked.
I don't know where this one
You know,
goes.
you're firing.
One of them is super tight.
That's
Let me know the fire.
All right, let's go. Shove some gas in it and fire it up.
Come on, baby. You still recording?
I am now. Still
All right.
talking?
I'll turn the key off.
All right. We're using Ben now. What do you got to say now for yourself, sir?
You're a little shot away.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Yeah. That's a greatness, man.
Okay, well,
This is epic.
needs to go on Instagram right now.
Pianos, man. Put that sucker together.
What are you doing? Making a gasket.
Rick, you need a bigger hammer.
You don't
I mean, I wish it was a smaller ball peen. I really do.
He needs a little pecker.
Rick's making a gasket for the water pump. We put it all together and the thing didn't have a gasket in the water pump, so it was leaking. Good job, Rick. Keep her up, bub.
Do anything to it at that point. I mean, we're not gonna pull everything
There she
back
is.
off, are we? I don't know.
Okay, what do you guys think?
If we do, we do. You know.
What do you guys think?
Oh man, I'm exhausted.
It's been a marathon.
Got it. I think we're good.
It's gonna work. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's done. It runs.
The last piece of the puzzle.
That's it. How cool is that? There it is. The 8-ball deluxe is back. That's right. We're gonna let the we shellac the water pump gasket, and we're gonna let it sit up before we put more water in it tomorrow. So whoever put the water pump on last didn't put a gasket in it, so that caught us by surprise and started leaking when we started putting water in it. But we're all good now. Awesome.
What's it on? I don't know.
30, 40.
Really?
Yeah. Yep, 40. 42. Yeah.
That's not smoking either.
Nope.
Hey, you ain't got any water in it.
Yeah. It'd be fine. Awesome.
Man, that thing sounds good.
It sounds nice.
Yes.
What do you think?
I'm happy with that. That's really
Yeah.
cool, man.
Hey, who are we? That's right. Yeah. Jason's a ripper too.
I'm a sweeper too, man.
He's a sweeper.
Oil pressure, having oil pressure
Yeah.
is cool.
Last motor had what, 3 pounds? I think that's the reason why it let loose on the rod.
Yeah, I really should have.
That's all right.
Done a little bit more.
Yeah, investigated that. Well,
That's a good motor, man, and a good price.
yeah, really.
I'd rather have been at $200, but you can't have everything, man.
Well,
I mean, where would you put it all?
yeah.
Yeah, that's what you did last.
So, what did we ended up doing?
Well, we blew up a motor.
There you go.
We put a post on Instagram, blasted it out there. Had a lot of response from everybody, man. Everybody's awesome. Thanks
Yeah.
everybody that responded
Yep.
and offered motors up. We found this one an hour away from here.
Yep.
Went and got it, bought it, brought it back in here, and like in 3 hours, we had the old one ripped out and the new one put in and fired up. I was thinking it was gonna take 5 or 6 to 8 hours to do it. We did it like 3 hours.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. We had a lot of help.
It's 2 o'clock
We
now.
need to give
So
thanks to like Matt's place.
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
What was some of those guys' names?
I'm not
I
sure.
know, cause we just met them.
Tim's the guy that we got the motor from.
Tim, we got the,
Taylor's the guy that saw our buddy Toby's post on
the 32
Facebook,
32
the
Found
32
motor
group.
for
Yeah.
us.
So
Yeah.
we had at least 8 motor offers, I think.
Yeah.
At least.
Yeah, we had a guy in Long Island, New York.
Yeah.
Offered a 52 Merc motor.
Yep. Scott had one back in Kansas.
Yeah.
Jimmy Flowers had one in Kansas City.
And Keith Hill. helped
Keith-
out.
Keith
He got
Hill.
on the phone, started making
Yep.
phone calls. That was awesome. Thanks, Keith.
Yep.
Worked out great.
Yeah, really cool, man. Everybody pulled together and saved my bacon. That's for sure, man. I'm gonna get to go to the car show and I'm gonna get to run on the beach, man.
Rippers never die.
You good looking sucker.
Don't you ever die. Well, we made it. We're here at the show. Just got parked. Running into some Instagram friends that we have never met before, which is cool. But we got it done. Runs great. Doesn't overheat. Great oil pressure. Can't ask for anything more. How awesome is that? Drive 1,400 miles, pop a motor, buy a motor, reinstall a motor, and go to the car show all in one day. Good deal.
What time is it?
Oh, really?
And I'm gonna and it looks for deer eyes.
There's the old 575. You see that?
Whoa, there, man.
We are back at the Hurley property. Matt Hurley, he's on Instagram, Hurley50 on Instagram. We're back here. We're gonna check out some cars. This is the after party. So barbecue, food, and music, and cars. Whoa. Good arm. What's up, y'all?
Hey. Hey. They must have known you was famous. That's why they come over.
That's right.